Today is February the 27th, and this dog came in evidently, well, it did come in on the 25th after I was out here. And the name is, I don't know if it's Spur or Spar. I think it's Spur. Anyway, Spur looks like he's got some, I don't know, collie or spaniel or something. Anyway, he's a long, maybe a lab. Maybe he's even got some flat coat lab in him. I'm just not sure. He is heartworm positive. But if he's only about 2 years old, he's got a lot of life left in him. So hopefully we can take care of those heartworms. Really handsome boy. Little shy. Not crazy about looking at me. But if you're interested in Spur, please contact Ben Hood at Okefenokee Humane Society at gmail.com. He is a good looking boy. Good looking boy. There you go. There's that shot.